So here's a tower sensor pack. So what is that for?
The tower sensor pack allows to discover sensors. Whether you are interested in consumer, industrial or automotive, you have a system which is a plug-in where you can use some plug-in boards, and that allows you to discover all the sensing world, whether it's pressure, accelerometers, touch sensing, any kind of solutions.
So here you can, for example, take this one and you can shake it around.
Yeah, so that's the blue one. So that's the typical satellite sensor into an automotive environment for airbag.
So it's to visualize things for students. Who would use that?
So this is for really everyone. Whether you are a student, whether you are a teacher that want to introduce your students to sensing world, whether you are a developer, whether you are an FAE, a field application engineer, then this is what you can use, because it really depends where your interest is. If your interest is on hardware, then you have some example. If your interest is in software development for what we call the firmware, what is embedded into the MCU, then you will get what you need. If your interest is in visual interface, like here, then you have some example. And it shows you, so we can play with the visual interface. The visual interface allows you also to have more access to the board. Through the visual interface, you can also use it for programming the device, where you can read and write in the registers. If your interest is more about describing the key parts which are used in the applications, or how it is working at a very high level, then you can do it.
Nice. So this is for sale?
So this one is for sale. That's about a kit which costs $149, if I remember well.
And what do you get? This? Or
so you get the standard configuration.
The whole thing here?
No, you get. I can show you very quick. Whoops. So typically you have some touch sensing. You will get some consumer 3-axis sensors. You will have some pressure sensors. And here it's again a 3-axis consumer acceleration sensor. So you have this board here, and then you get the main board here. These two on the top are the parts that we are introducing. This one is a very high accuracy pressure sensor for altimeters, and that's the part which is being announced at the event this week.
So you can measure exactly where we are compared to the scene.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what it means.
It's for altimeters, yes,
right.
Yes. The one interest we have is positioning. And right now it's linear acceleration sensors, it's pressure sensors. Soon to come are gyros. And the idea is if you have gyros, pressure sensors, acceleration sensors, we could follow where you are. Simply adding another tower pack. I mean, we have all the tower, for example, for Wi-Fi or for Zigbee, and then you will have a wireless link, and then we can trace where you are.
And the tower is for development. It's like a standard where you plug things in and.
Yes, it's what I call what you need to do a Frankenstein solution.
What, sorry?
Frankenstein solution.
Frankenstein.
Yes, Frankenstein. Basically, you put the pieces that you need together, then you can confirm and validate your idea. If it works as you want, then you will be able to do more, like doing your own schematic, your own layout, your own firmware. But the question is whether your idea works. And this allow you to confirm this.
Nice. You separate things.
Yes, exactly. It's really a modular approach. We want it to be versatile. So it really means that you can plug what you need, and you have one board per solution.
All right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.